In today's video, I'll show you how to enable SMS reminders in Acuity scheduling step by step. If you want to reduce no-shows and keep your clients updated instantly, SMS reminders are one of the most effective tools you can use. First, log into your Acuity scheduling account and go to your dashboard. Once you're inside, open the Notifications or Email and Text Message Settings section from the left-hand menu. This is where all automated reminders are configured. Now look for the SMS or text message reminders option. Click on it to open the settings panel. Next, make sure SMS reminders are enabled. In many cases, you may need to connect a supported SMS provider or enable text messaging through Acuity's built-in options, depending on your plan. After that, choose when you want the SMS reminders to be sent. For example, you can set reminders for 24 hours before the appointment, 1 hour before, or multiple time intervals. Now customize your message. Keep it short and clear, including key details like appointment time, date, and any important instructions. If you want, you can also enable SMS for specific appointment types only, instead of all bookings. Once everything is set, click Save Settings to activate SMS reminders. Now Acuity will automatically send text message reminders to your clients based on your chosen schedule. Before finishing, test the system by creating a sample appointment and checking if the SMS reminder is received correctly. If anything doesn't work, double-check your SMS settings or ensure your plan supports text notifications. And that's it! You've successfully enabled SMS reminders in Acuity scheduling and improved your client communication system. And that's how you enable SMS reminders in Acuity scheduling. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.